Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about LOCC protocol. So LOCC protocol is ready for the orbit. So they talk about LOCC Orbit Crypto Cannon is a crypto deflationary token made for the community and owned by the community, ruled by the simple yet powerful, efficient smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. I will say, guys, before we get too far into this, I just want to be as transparent as possible. This is a sponsored video. Always do your own research before investing. I'm just trying to give you guys some light on some new projects, some smaller projects that have potential to do big things. What better way to do that than a sponsored video that gives me the chance to really talk about some of these projects I rather wouldn't. So LOCC protocol could be a great project. Obviously, it's ruled, like I said, by simple yet powerful, efficient smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. Fees are generated from each trade, partially burned, and then one staking astronaut is selected for propulsion every 276 ETH blocks. Though this lucky astronaut receives all of the collected fees. So it's basically a giveaway mechanism. Every single, like we said, where was that? Fees are generated or each trade partially burned, and then one staking selected for propulsion. So yeah, every 276 ETH blocks, one lucky astronaut. So basically, like I said, a trading or a giveaway mechanism there. And I think this is a great concept. It's interesting as well to see really what people are coming up with nowadays. We see the market cap actually over $1 billion. So it's actually a fairly large coin already. When I say fairly large, it definitely has a lot of room to grow, but you just see a lot of potential there with that price point. Sorry, not 1 billion. I said 1 million is what I was thinking in my mind. I said 1 billion, but so we have $1.1 million in the market cap. So it's actually fairly low in the market cap, but it's over 1 million, so where you're not taking as much risk. So that's a big thing to take a look at. We also see the lock price right now at $1,193. Number of holders being $337. If you guys want to buy lock, it's actually very easy. You just click buy the lock. It'll bring you to the Uniswap. You just hit import and you say, let's go with ETH. We want to transfer ETH for lock. You just type in your ETH. It'll show you how much lock you'll get. So like I said, you'll get a little bit over 2 lock for each ETH. One thing to remember, guys, if you guys are new to crypto, do remember, guys, it doesn't matter what the price of the price of the token is. It matters as we get a little rumbling on the site, which is interesting. I've never seen this happen. We have some rumble going on. I guess if you stay on too long, it gives you a little rumble. But every market, everybody new to the crypto market is what I'm trying to say. Sorry, everyone new to the crypto market. That rattling kind of shook me up. But everyone new to the crypto market understands, that the price value lower, it means that you can afford more coins. Well, unfortunately, it's not actually how that works. It's kind of misleading. So it's all about the market cap. So if it's a low market cap, obviously the price has an easier time fluctuating. So really, if you're buying 1 million coins or one coin, it doesn't matter if it's the same market cap. So always look at the market cap. Market cap being $1 million right now makes it very, very cheap coin right now, even though it's at $1,200. It's a very, very cheap and solid coin. So next, propulsion wave. So I guess I don't know if this is when the propulsion waves go down, and that's when it gets us shaken. But we can actually see the dates and the astronauts that were rewarded right here. So it's very, very cool to see that actually take place. So 0.028 is actually a fairly solid amount of LOCC, so that person got pretty lucky. We also see the orbit map LOCC, so it talks more about the orbit initialization, the cannon preparation. It talks about the firing up cannon in the Milky Way, LOCC presence on the entire solar system, and everything else. So if you guys are interested in this, they have a lot of big things coming. If you take a look at the roadmap, they talk about the DAO platform for governance and more community-driven decisions for protocol evolution. They talk about firing up cannon in the Milky Way. I just think this is a coin that is definitely more valuable than a regular meme token, just because, it does have a lot on the website. It has a lot of roadmap. It's not just a, I should show you some of these memes, meme coins that I've been seeing that has really gone parabolic. It's crazy to see some of these coins do so well when things like this project, haven't moved too much. You have a great opportunity to jump in at a low price still. I will say, guys, always do your own research before investing, but really looking at this orbit map or roadmap, that you guys are used to, it looks very, very good. It looks like it's a, concept that a lot of people may like. We also go down to the Orbinomics or the Tokenomics in a way. Obviously, they're just rewording it to have some fun, and it definitely sounds pretty good. But, we have the total supply at 1,000, circulating supply 800, and propulsion at 5%, and bird at 5%. So if we actually go up a little bit as well, I want to take a look at the FAQ. The FAQ always gives us some answers to some questions we may have. I want to say, guys, as well, if you guys are interested in buying or even looking farther into low orbit crypto cannon, I will have links in the description of the video, so make sure to check that out. I do think it would be very helpful if you guys check some of these things out and did your own research before buying, and I will have, like I said, links to all of that in the description. So what is low orbit crypto cannon token utility? So they talk about how they employ such simple functions, strong and powerful. Each time a transfer occurs in the LOCC ERC20 token or buy or sell occurring over Uniswap, 5% of the amount is burned from the supply. 5% of the amount is also sent to the low orbit propulsor contract for the next propulsion. So like I said, it's a very, very cool concept. I'm not going to read too much into this stuff, but it does look like it's going in the right direction. Why my screen is shaking in all directions? Your screen is possibly the very chair you're sitting in will begin shaking uncontrollably when one lucky stalker is about to win the entire collected fees from the low orbit propulsor contract. So it looks like somebody must have just won at the exact time it shook. It says 11:29, and that was 4 minutes ago. So that's exactly what happened, and we could have guessed that obviously with this countdown right here. But it's great to see a lot of people making some solid money with these propulsion waves. So like I said, guys, it's a very, very cool concept. Definitely check it out. Links will be in the description below, so make sure to leave a comment if you guys have any questions. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Hopefully we can get this crypto market back on the right track, as if we take a look at the crypto market right now, everything is down 7.39% and worse. A lot of things in the double digits, but we'll continue to keep guys up to date as we go forward today. So thanks again, guys. I'll see you all in the next one.